5 tips for packing a fragile package. Choose the right box. The first step is to choose a sturdy box that is appropriate for the size and weight of the item. Avoid using a box that is too big or too small, as this can increase the risk of damage during transit. Wrap the item carefully. Before placing the item in the box, wrap it carefully with bubble wrap or other cushioning material. Be sure to wrap it securely so that it doesn't shift or move around during transit. Use packing peanuts or crumpled paper. Once the item is wrapped, fill the empty space in the box with packing peanuts or crumpled paper. This will help to prevent the item from moving around during transit and provide additional cushioning. Label the box as fragile. Be sure to label the box as fragile to alert the shipping company and handlers that the contents need to be handled with care. THIS can help to reduce the risk of damage during transit. Seal the box securely. Finally, seal the box securely with packing tape to ensure that it doesn't come open during transit. Be sure to reinforce the corners and edges of the box with additional tape for added strength.